how to use CapCut Pro for free forever. So if you want to use CapCut Pro for free, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Then you need to search for CapCut. After searching, you'll have the play.google.com. You'll have the CapCut video editor. So you just need to simply go and install the CapCut. You can also install it from your Microsoft Store. So just go and install your CapCut application. Once you install your CapCut, you need to open your CapCut application. Once you open your CapCut, you will find this kind of interface. Now, in order to proceed, what we can see here is on the top left, as you can see that I have not signed in yet, right? So don't sign in. You need to just go with create project right here. Once you go with create project, you need to go with import, do all of the editing, go and select your videos, and all of the things that you want. It doesn't matter if it requires Pro or not. Just go and simply add them. As you can see that it requires Pro, right? But I've just added them. So you just need to simply go and add the things that you want and edit your video. Once you've done editing, what you need to do is select all of the clips that you have on your timeline. Or you can also press Ctrl A, which will select everything. Once you've selected everything, you need to right click on it, and then you will have an option of create compound clip. You need to click on create compound clip. And once you have created your compound clip, you need to just right click on it again, and you will have an option of render. Or you will also have an option of pre-process, which is right here. You need to click this one. Go with pre-process compound clip. And it might take a few seconds or a few minutes. So just wait. It's applying here on the top, as you can see it. And now what you need to do is just simply go with the location where your projects are saved. Like you need to go with the file manager, and under your file manager, you need to go with the project where your CapCut files are saved. In my case, it's right here. You'll have the CapCut drafts folder. Once you're there, you'll find a folder which is combination, and under combination, you will have resources or presets. You need to click on it, and then you'll find your folder right here. You need to just click on the folder, and you'll find your CapCut saved video right there. In this way, you'll be able to use CapCut Pro for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.